welcome back to the Golf Diaries. Just a quick on-the-go video for you today. Just wanted to update you on the garage refurbishment. So I've just had a delivery of flooring tiles. So if you want to walk this way, there you go. So yeah, I've decided to go for the black and the grey as opposed to the blue and the grey, because I think the blue was probably going to be a little bit too much, a little bit too loud. So yeah, black and grey should look quite cool. And then they come with obviously the ramps here for the edges. So yeah, it's going to be fun, isn't it? I've got to somehow empty all of this, and so I'm probably going to have to wait till a nice day in the spring, just because trying to get a dry day recently, it's just not happening. And then yeah, we can really crack on with making a nice home for these things, and starting to shoot a lot more stuff for the channel. So very quickly, I'll show you true blue pewter? What's blue pewter? No idea. Anyway, in true blue pewter style, here's one I prepared earlier. So as you can see, you know, it fits together quite nicely, really easy. I'll just show you quickly one-handed with this one, and I can't, there you go, got there eventually. Trying to do anything one-handed is a challenge. So there you go, that kind of just fits together like so. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting started, to be honest. So I'll, as soon as I know when that's going to happen, when we're going to have a nice weather weekend, I'll make a video, show you all the fun as it happens. Wish me luck. It's a big old jigsaw set, so yeah, can't wait. Anyway, please like, subscribe, come along for the ride. It's going to be an interesting one. Speak soon. Take care.